Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We're really happy to have you with us today. This is Easy English Speaking, a place where learning English feels easy, relaxed, and stress-free, step by step. I'm Eva, and joining me today is Tom. Hi, Tom. How are you feeling this morning?
Hi, Eva, and hello to everyone watching. I'm feeling great today, calm, focused, and excited to be here with you all. How about you, Eva?
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you for asking. Before we begin, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to support you every single day on your English journey. And if you enjoy this video, please tap the like button. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support truly means everything to us.
So, Tom, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is something very important. We're going to talk about listening.
Many learners ask me all the time, Eva, how can I understand English better? How can I improve my listening skills? Today, we're going to explore those questions together.
That's an excellent topic, Eva. Listening can be very challenging, and many students feel frustrated. They study grammar and memorize vocabulary, but when they hear real English, they feel confused and lost.
Exactly, Tom. And that feeling is completely normal. Listening is a skill, just like learning to ride a bike or cook a meal. It takes practice and patience. You can't master it in just one day.
That's absolutely true. And I want to say something important to everyone listening right now. If you find listening difficult, you're not alone. Every English learner feels this way at the beginning.
Yes, even we felt the same when learning other languages. It's simply part of the learning process. So, Tom, why do you think listening is so hard for learners?
That's a great question, Eva. There are a few reasons. First, native speakers talk very fast, much faster than learners expect. In movies or podcasts, people don't slow down like teachers do.
That's real life. People speak quickly. They link words together and they use contractions. For example, instead of saying, I am going to the store, they often say, I'm gonna go to the store. This can be difficult to catch.
Exactly. Another reason is accents. English sounds different in the US, the UK, Australia, India, and many other places. Each accent has its own style, and that can be confusing.
Yes, and there's one more important reason. Sometimes learners simply don't know enough vocabulary. If you don't recognize the words, it's hard to understand the message, even if you hear it clearly.
That's such an important point. But here's the good news. Listening can improve. It takes time, but it's absolutely possible. And today, we're going to share some simple, practical tips to help you.
Let's start with the first one. Tom, what's the most important habit for better listening?
The most important thing is consistency. You need to listen every day, even for just 5 or 10 minutes. Doing a little daily is far better than doing a lot once in a while.
Exactly. Your brain needs regular exposure to English sounds. If you listen once and then stop for several days, your progress slows down.
Think of it like exercise. If you want strong muscles, you don't go to the gym once a week. Listening works the same way. Your ears and brain need daily training.
I love that example. So, everyone listening, try to hear some English every day. It doesn't have to be difficult. A song, a short video, or even this podcast is enough.
Now, here's another helpful tip. Start with easy material. Don't jump straight into fast Hollywood movies. That can feel overwhelming and discouraging, and we don't want that.
So, Tom, what kind of content is best for beginners?
For beginners, simple podcasts like this one are perfect. We speak slowly, use clear words, and keep things simple. This helps build confidence, and confidence is essential.
Yes, confidence makes learning enjoyable instead of stressful. Another great idea is watching children's shows in English. They use simple sentences, clear pronunciation, and easy language.
That's a great suggestion, Eva. Shows like Peppa Bee or Bluey are fun, easy to understand, and surprisingly effective. And don't worry, no one has to know it's your practice.
Exactly. You can also explore YouTube channels made especially for English learners. Many teachers speak slowly and clearly to help you follow along.
And here's something very important to remember. You don't need to understand everything. Even understanding 50 or 60% means you're improving.
That's such an important reminder. Missing words is normal. Each time you listen, you'll understand a little more, step by step. Now, let's talk about subtitles. Tom, should learners use them?
Subtitles can be helpful, but they should be used carefully. If you always read subtitles in your own language, you're not really listening.
Exactly. So, here's a better approach. First, listen without subtitles. Then, listen again using English subtitles, not your native language.
English subtitles help you connect sounds with spelling. Your brain starts matching what you hear with what you see.
And if you really need it, you can check subtitles in your own language later, but English should come first.
Another powerful tip is repetition. Listening to the same audio multiple times helps a lot.
Yes, when you repeat the same podcast or song several times, your understanding improves each time. Your brain learns the rhythm, sounds, and patterns naturally.
You don't need new content every day. Repeating content actually leads to deeper learning.
Another key point is connected speech. In real English, words blend together, like want to becoming wanna.
Exactly. Native speakers don't separate every word. Once you become aware of this, your listening improves faster.
Here's a fun exercise. After listening, try repeating what you hear out loud. Copy the speaker's rhythm and pronunciation.
That technique is called shadowing. It feels strange at first, but it's incredibly effective.
You don't need to be perfect. Mistakes are part of learning. The most important thing is practice, again and again.
Now, let's talk about music. Can songs help with listening?
Absolutely. Songs are fun, emotional, and memorable. But remember, lyrics can include slang, idioms, and poetic language.
So enjoy music, but don't rely on it alone. Balance it with clear conversations like this podcast.
When listening to songs, read the lyrics and sing along. It helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence, and it's fun.
Learning should feel enjoyable. When you enjoy the process, you practice more and improve faster.
Now, let's quickly review today's main points.
First, listen every day, even for a few minutes. Second, choose easy content that builds confidence. Third, use subtitles wisely. English first. Fourth, repeat the same content multiple times. Fifth, notice connected speech. And finally, use music and shadowing to make learning fun.
If you follow these steps, your listening will improve. It takes time, but it truly works.
Remember, everyone struggles with listening at first. Be patient. Celebrate small progress. You're improving every day.
We're so proud of you for showing up and learning. Don't give up, even when it feels hard. Remember your goal. You can do this.
We'll be here to support you every step of the way. Come back to Talk English each week and keep learning with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, leave a comment and tell us what you find hardest about listening. We read every comment and love hearing from you.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us create more lessons for you.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and we'll see you very soon.
Take care, keep listening, keep learning. Goodbye, everyone.
And remember, you're doing an amazing job. We believe in you.